Some absolutely great news with crypto.com today. So shout out to whoever, I forget who tagged me in it. Shout out to you, brother. So this came out 7 hours ago. Well, we'll go to Chris, the CEO. He tweeted and said, as promised, our audited proof of reserve, Master Group, a reputable audit firm, confirmed that our on-chain reserve exceed customer liabilities for all in-scope assets, and that we have full control over the wallets. User can now verify one-to-one backend cryptographically. So first thing first, my mindset always think first we need to do some research. Who the hell is this company? Because I don't want it to be a company that's owned by crypto.com or something like that. So they have over 42,000 employees since 2001. That's crazy. Headquarters in Paris, France, and the company been founded since 1945. So it's not a new company. It's not funded by crypto.com, so that's good to see. You see Master, you can look at it and try to do some information on it and see what's exactly that's popping. Now, that kid then woke up, he then came up here. All right, so it's a crypto.com release proof of reserves audits results. Master compared the assets held on-chain assets proven to be controlled by crypto.com with customer balances through an auditor overseen live. So now you see right here it say in-scope assets, BTC, the reserves at 100 and everything is over 100%. So they basically saying, look, here go to assets and this how much we actually have in here. And we have more than enough. So you see the BTC, ETH, USDC, USDT, even XRP is in here. And it's crazy because you can't buy XRP on crypto.com, but they have some right there. Doge, Shipt, Link, and Mana. And I know you are wondering, what the hell are they talking about and how exactly does it work? I just did it for myself. It works 100% how they told you. It's still like nerd stuff, so you don't fully understand it, but you know, gotta go with their word. So it'll say it is now easy for existing users to verify crypto.com has a one-to-one reserve of all customers' crypto assets deposit on its platform, and users can confirm the assets in their accounts are responsibly backed and accessible. This is a huge thing for crypto.com because they are the first to do this. So if any crypto exchange talking that smack, yo, show us that you got that money. Show us that you have the money. Verify your balance cryptographically now. Now, this is exactly how you do it. They did a video. First, I'm going to show you let me see if I can find that little video. Okay, how to verify your funds. First thing you do is either go to crypto.com/proof-of-reserves, or you can click that thing that they just showed you, right? Let me not get whatever it is. And you got the option of doing it from website, or if you do it from your phone, you just click continue as a crypto.com app user. That's what I did. Here they send you an email thing, you got to click and the email will pop up and you'll be Gucci. You log in and this is what you see. It's a check your account details and assets balances, and it showed the coverage. All of mine showed all of this, and they said find that leaf thing. So leaf is the thing right here. You hit that copy button, which I did, and under leaf they have a site you can click right here to go here. So they said paste it down at the bottom and they show you everything you get. I'm not going to show you guys mine. Mine said all of this. I'm not going to show you guys mine because I don't understand this yet. So I don't understand any of those codes. So I don't want to get, people access to my account, but it's very simplistic and easy to do. So really like a big shout out to them because that's freaking amazing. So you're doing is clicking this website. verifying your funds. You logging in. I'm not about to do that with mine, but you log in and you do the rest. So this is great news by Crypto.com. I am proud of being a affiliate with Crypto.com, because you want to be with the best. If you want to have your money, you want it to be safe. I still have majority of my money on a cold storage or wallet, but it's still good to know. Crow is down 1%. Hopefully we have that next week rally I've been talking about. But let me know your thoughts in the comments. Are you guys excited about this? What's your thoughts? Make sure you guys hit that good old subscribe button if you haven't did it already. There's no need to play around. The name is Lando Success, baby. All you do is hit that subscribe notification, that bell, and all that good stuff. And I'm about to probably drop some more SBF stuff, because it's been crazy type of drama that's been popping off. Talk to y'all soon.